Hey guys, this is Henry from OBEDIA and PC Audio Labs again. Today we're back with our Cubase video tutorials. And on today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to import audio from a video file into Cubase. So you might be wondering, why do you need to do this? Sounds a little strange, but think about it this way. Okay, so let's say you have a video that obviously contains audio. Perhaps it's a music clip, like a video clip of a band. Maybe it's a concert or a movie. It doesn't really matter. And let's say that you're trying to smooth the audio a little bit. You're trying to maybe master it, maybe add some instruments to it, maybe some EQ or some compression or something like that. And you honestly only care about the audio, right? Let's say you're going to maybe place a limiter on it or an EQ. So you could basically import the audio from a video into Cubase, only the audio, process it, do whatever you're going to do to it, export it, and then put it back in whatever video editor that you have and replace the old audio with a new one. So in that case, in order to streamline your work, it might be helpful to import into Cubase just the audio from that video. So how do you do it? Well, it's very simple. If we go to our top menu bar and we click on File, we go to Import, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The sixth option says import audio from video file. Once again, you're going to select the video file, but it's only going to extract the audio from it. And that's the only thing that it's going to import. So we click there. Then it's going to show this browser here, import audio tracks from video. So here you have to browse for the video that you want the audio from. So I have this video here. By the way, down here it says all types, meaning that you can import MP4, MOV, or AVI, or select any of those formats. So click it, open, does its thing, and then import options. I'm going to leave this as default. I'm going to press OK, and check this out. It created in this case, a stereo audio file, okay? And it put the audio that was from that video, but not the video itself. Sometimes we don't need the video. Sometimes we're trying to save some CPU resources. So if we know for a fact we're only working with the audio, why would we import the video? You know, it's at that point, it's kind of useless. So if we press play, there it is. It works. The whole audio file is there associated to the video from the start to finish. You could now technically process this, add whatever, effects you want to it. This is a regular audio track. You could do things like EQ or whatever, and maybe render it, export it, and then put it back with the video. So that's how you import audio from video in Cubase. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any other questions, please call us from OBEDIA and PC Audio Labs, and we'll be happy to help you. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
Want to learn how to produce music using this, or using that, or using all of these? Have you been watching videos, reading manuals, blogs, and trying to figure out everything that it takes to be a music producer? Do you have a bunch of music gear that you purchased and you still haven't made any music? Well, then you need OBEDIA, the world's only one-on-one digital audio training and tech support service. Check out the link below for a special new subscriber offer.